What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with 9 to 5. So this tutorial, I'm going to try to keep it under 5 minutes so you can see how the project works. But after watching this video, all the links going to be down in the description. So please make sure you read the docs. Make sure you fully understand how the project works before you invest in a project. Okay, guys? So essentially, 9 to 5, initially, as you come over here to the DApp, okay, looks like an ROI DApp where you invest USDT and you will earn a certain percentage every week on a weekly basis, okay, guys. But this project has some external revenue which is made by trades, okay. So if you come over here to the white paper or docs, click over here, we'll take you to this page, and over here we can see the introduction to 9 to 5, okay. So basically, 9 to 5 is an ROI app built on a Binance Smart Chain where you're going to earn rewards from daily rewards from 0.5% up to 2%, which is made generated by external revenue. Like I said to you, tradings. Okay. On this protocol, you only earn from 9 to 5 right here. It's from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. UTC time, and only from Monday to Friday, just like a normal regular work. Okay. And you can withdraw anytime. Okay, you can withdraw anytime, but the accumulation period only lasts for 7 days. So after 7 days, there will be no more accumulations. You will have to take action, either withdraw, compound, or work hard to start earning more rewards. Okay, so if you come over here to the investment guide, we can see how everything works. So the minimum investment is 30 USDT, the maximum investment is 100K, okay? And we have some limits on profit, so you can only make 3x on your investment. So if you deposit 100 bucks, you can only make 300 bucks. After that, you will have to make a new deposit to earn new rewards. Okay, so every time you deposit, you pay 10% tax, and every time you withdraw, there is no fee or tax to pay. Okay, and on this protocol, you have three options. You can withdraw 100% of your rewards. You can compound. You compound 100% of your rewards, so you can increase your 3x limits, or you can work hard. Work hard, you will do a 50-50 strategy. So you compound 50% of your rewards, and the other 50% will go to your wallet and also will increase your 3x rewards. Okay. And over here, we can see where the portfolio and external revenue are going and coming from. Okay, so if you come over to their TG, okay, over here we got the channels about the proof of daily revenue. So currently they are trading with a portfolio balance around 200K, and this is the trading report from last week. Okay, so every week they come over here and post the reports, show you how everything has been working. Okay, guys, team is fully transparent. They are docs and everything. Okay, so over here we can see the audits, the docs, and everything. Okay, guys, so let's go over to the ROI DApp or the DApp, and let's see what's up. Okay, so over here, this is the main page, and we can see the total deposits, total employees or investors, and revenue injected back to the smart contract. And this is the current daily ROI, 0.6%. Okay, so if you come over here, this is the dashboard. Over here, we can see that it's Sunday today, so the office is closed. Over here, you can see my investment, my withdrawn, my ROI, my monthly salary. We can see the daily salary, and we can see how much I'm going to earn in 5 days. We can see the last claim, we can see the minimum claim day, and the max claim. Okay, over here, we got the three options: withdraw, compound, or work hard. Okay, so now I will have to take action. Withdraw, compound, and work hard, because after that Monday, I'm not going to earn any rewards if I don't take action. So how to get started? How to get started is very simple. You come over here. So for example, you will put 100 USDT. Okay, so you have to approve, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and then once that's approved, you come over here, hit deposit. Okay, your investment will pop up right here minus the 10% tax. So if you invest 100 USDT, over here will pop up as 90 USDT, and then from that you will start earning your rewards 9 to 5 Monday to Friday USDT time. Over here, we got an inbuilt calculator, so you can calculate how much you can potentially earn with this project. Okay, they also have a cool feature which is called the departments. Okay, so before you join the project, okay, or when you are looking to join the project, you will have to join a department. So you select the department, and the department that makes the most points within that week, okay, will win the weekly budget, which is currently at 121. Okay, every week this budget will be resetted. Okay, and the uh, team that makes the most points will win, and the weekly budget will be distributed to all team members. So currently the pocket aces, they have this amount of points and this amount of members, and this weekly budget will be distributed to all the members according to your um, investment percentage. Okay, and essentially that guys, so it's just over 6 minutes right now, and right now we can see that how everything works. And the project is more than a month old and still up and running, still doing its thing, so we cannot complain about it. Okay, guys, so that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Okay, so I would recommend you to stay close to the TG group. Over here, this one is where they show the trades, but if you click over here, this is the main shot. If you still have any questions about the project, just come over here and ask as many questions as you want, and the team will get back to you ASAP. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.